person that sent you this, they need you to know you kind of smell like a baka.
After taking a DNA test, this rabbit is 100%
a potato.
Yoda, Frenchie, Yoda, Frenchie, Yoda, Frenchie, pug.
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
I'm gonna be a pumpkin blueberry. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all.
Let's go boop some animals. Boop. 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 Boop.
The gravity potatoes emerge for their breakfast.
Law is our master. Law chooses who will go and who will stay. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Can you give me kisses? Give me a kiss. No. You don't want to give me a kiss? No. Why?
Eat your berries and cream.
Berries and cream.
Becoming increasingly obvious. I can deny it no longer. I am small.
Things my mum says to me that make no fucking sense. Part 2. When she comes up to me and says, "Who's a good boy?" Well, I'm the only one here and I'm a fucking legend, so obviously it's me.
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone.
This is why Kevin can't be trusted with the ball launcher alone. Wait for it. Brings it back. Good dog. Puts it back in. Anger, 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 anger.
Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
It's just a baby.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Assault, theft, fraud, DUI, breaking and entering, solicitation, armed robbery, shoplifting, aggravated assault on a police officer, and
I'm gonna get you out of there. I'm gonna get you out.
Aw, my caterpillar never turned into a butterfly. That's a cheetah. Oh.
You understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa!
Really?
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
I didn't have a container at the moment, so I used the desk.
Welcome to Barnes and No! Where did it go?
Good morning, Harpo. Such a good boy.
One, two. Sabi ko two, hindi one. One, two. Ewan ko sa'yo.
When we both shit ourselves. Bye-bye lamp. He went to hide under me though, that's good, he trusts me.
Using my scary owner privilege to walk alone early in the morning.
Come down and say hi.
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
俺の魂に触れるか。共に腹の底から小僧を笑った仲だ。一度は許す。二度はない。部をわきまえろ。知れ者。
Amy. What are you doing? Are you looking for me? Come here.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho. Come on. Oh my god.
にゃ、1、2、3、にゃ、ありがとう。にゃ、1、2、3、にゃ、ありがとう。
Kendall. Yeah. It's so adorable.
You're coming home with me.
Pretending that I forgot him.
If you enjoyed at least some of this video, please consider pressing like and subscribe. It really helps out and it literally takes 2 seconds. Bye now, you have a good one.
We've been trying to contact you.